Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to ankle break in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone. So right here, you're gonna find the Live Pass, Live Today, PvP, limited time events, showdown, and lastly campaigns. In the bottom, you're going to find my team, auction, achievements, objectives, and sets. If you click on my team, you can see your team stats and also your players. You can change your players by clicking on any player. Right here, you're going to see also the active boosts of the player, bench boosts, and some informations like athleticism, inside scoring, rebounding, outside scoring, and so on. So if you want to ankle break in NBA Live Mobile, go ahead and play any game mode. For example, we're going to go to Live Today and then choose any available match. For example, this one, click on play. And once you click on play, wait for it to load. And then from here, you can adjust your team. And lastly, go ahead and click on play. And now, as you can see, guys, the match is loading. And now we are in the match. Basically, guys, in order to ankle break, you need firstly to pass the ball to the opponent team. So, for example, we're going to let them take the ball like this, and then just follow them and then hold the guard button. And if you basically, guys, if you hold it for too long, once you are close to the other player, and you are sprinting in the same time, you have a chance to ankle break the opponent. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.